Hey friends, Britt Hall here coming at you with a quick exercise video, and today we're going over step ups. Now, a step up can be done on a step like I have here that you purchase at the store, or if you have a sturdy step stool, a nice wooden block, a stair in your house or outside, those are all going to work out just fine for you. So, we're going to go over form, and I'm also going to talk about this is a balance move. So, if you do have any balance issues or this is new to you, be sure you have a wall close by you, like I do here, or a chair, and that can help you out with this as well. So, like most exercises, we want to start out with that good form, shoulders back, core in tight, rear end is squeezed. And for our first basic step up, we're going to put that foot up onto the step. We always want to make sure that knee is right over the ankle. We're avoiding as we come up, pushing forward and having that ankle go forward. So as we step up onto the step, knee stays right over that ankle. We step up and come back down again, taking it back. So forward, step up, step back down onto the ground, always keeping that knee right over the ankle. So that's just doing one side. So you could do just one side for half of your allotted time frame and then switch to that other side. Or you could alternate. So little variance there. Now, a couple different things that you can do that can add a little spice into that. You could do a knee raise. So as you come up, a knee raise, back down again, a knee raise, back down again. Kind of like a knee drive if you do it on one side, or kind of getting that old step class action if you do it alternating. Another movement you could do is a leg curl, kind of reminiscent of that old step class. Or let's see, we could go lateral. So we could step up onto our step and come over onto the other side. All right. Or this is one of my very favorites, a nice wide lateral, step up to the middle, step down, step up to the middle and down. Now, I usually start on one side, do about 8, then I stop and I lead with the other side. It's a little trick for your brain to keep that going. So that is some moves that you can do with your step or any step that you have in the house. I hope that was helpful for you. If you do think that was helpful, go ahead and give that little like button a tap. And I have some other exercise videos for you as well as some follow along workouts. So be sure and subscribe. That is something that you are interested in. And I look forward to seeing you soon. Peace.